Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time test of the Zulay Kitchen Executive Series Milk Frother, which is this milk frother right here. This is going to be the black on black version of this frother, but they've got a wide variety of color options, so definitely check out the links below for the different colors available. Currently you can get this on Amazon from anywhere to from $15 to about $20, so definitely check them out, but we'll get started. Okay, so this is the Zulay Kitchen's Executive Series Milk Frother. This is going to be in their all-powerful black color, which is going to be this black handle with the black button. They've got almost like 30 different color options, a wide variety of options, so definitely check out the links below and figure out kind of what you think is best for your general taste. But the price varies anywhere from like $15 to $20 depending on the color you choose. I went with the black just because I thought it was streamlined. The key with the Executive Series, it should be a better quality build as compared to their baseline model. I do have the baseline model that I'll review as well, but overall, just first impressions, the box is really elegant from a gift standpoint. It's a very sturdy packaging, shows the frother on the front, and then it has a slide out casing here for like a gift casing when you look at it. And then on the back here, it just kind of lists some general information about the company. That's really it. It talks about the history of the company, and they emphasize that we believe in our product so much that if for any reason you are not fully satisfied, we'll make it right for you, replacement or refund, without you ever having to go to the post officer. So you can register your product. It provides a lifetime warranty, which is always nice with these things because sometimes they do break, and the fact that they have a lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee guarantees that when you purchase this, the company stands by it and they'll replace it free of charge to you, which is always nice. But let's get this thing open. So as you can tell, it slides right out. It's got this little insert here. Says, want to skip all the text and get right to the info? Scan the QR code to watch the how-to video, register your warranty, and get your free recipe ebook. So there's a QR code there. And then it says, hold on to your socks because they're about to get knocked off with the delicious recipes we are giving you for free. So get your ebook there for Zulay Kitchen. So they offer that. So that's that insert. As far as usage instructions, it says fill your frother pitcher 1/4 full with hot or cold milk and place whisk into milk. Press and hold the button to whisk. Raise frother up and down many times until foam is as desired. Frothing at a 45-degree angle or slight angle produces great results. This may take anywhere from 15 seconds to 45 seconds depending on the temperature and type of milk. Please be sure to froth milk before adding to coffee for the best result. Easy cleaning, they recommend dip the whisk into hot water or under running water and briefly turn it on. Do not submerge the plastic housing, so that's important where you don't put it underwater because it will damage the batteries. And it does give you instructions, but we'll walk through this. But battery installation, remove the battery cover by pushing down on the tab, pull it out, put the ribbon in place, insert first battery, which is AA according to the diagram, and then put the second one. So it requires two separate AA batteries, which I have here, and we'll walk through once we're ready. But that's the insert, and then this is the actual milk frother. So it's pretty cool as far as the packaging. It has this like silk insert here in the actual box, so it's nice, elegant as far as a gift. So it's something that if you want to give it to somebody, but beyond that, really, it's just foam with silk, nothing too special from that. And then here's the actual milk frother. So it comes with a stand as well as the actual frother. Here's what the stand looks like. So it's got a bottom here, stands up easily without any issues. Does wobble if you knock it over, move it around, so it's not the sturdiest of stands, but the milk frother just sits directly into here like this, and so it stands freely without any issues as far as that, so that's nice. As far as the actual milk frother, so this is what it looks like. It has a single whisk design at the bottom. I do know that they make a double whisk design as well for stronger whisking power, but usually one whisk is adequate. Has this kind of like relatively flimsy kind of piece here that inserts in, and that's what'll turn on. And then the actual handle itself, so it's kind of like a matte, finish. It's got like a slight like silicone-y texture to it. It's got a nice feel as far as that overall feel. And then the buttons at the top, which will be an on-off button, that'll turn it on and off right there. So you'll hold down that, and that's what it'll turn it on and off. As far as inserting the batteries, what we'll do is we'll do that, walk through that right now. I believe they actually give you instructions if you need it, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. So the key is get this silk tab here out of the way, and then based on the diagram, you'll have to insert, I'm just looking at the angles here, so insert the positive end first, pointing upwards to the top of the handle, and insert that way, and then you do the reverse where you're going to insert the positive end pointing downwards this way. So it should click into place, and then just get this silk thing kind of down, and then slide the top back on, and then this should work. So immediately it works. It's very responsive as far as everything. When you hold it down, it stays on, and then there's a little bit of a delay. It does not have a switch that keeps it on continuously, so you do have to hold it at all the time, which is a potential drawback of this. But that's kind of really it as far as the overall kind of product. I'll say that I'm pretty impressed with the fact that it's got this nice matte silicone feel. It's nice in your hand from that standpoint. The on-off button is pretty responsive. It does seem pretty powerful from that standpoint. And then the stand in general seems nicer. I think I had a separate milk frother. I think it was the Power Licks or whatever, but that didn't, the stand was just cumbersome, where I think it sat in a loop like this kind of type of thing, and it never really sat sturdily, so it wasn't really useful. So that's it for the milk frother. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go froth some milk, obviously, with this, as well as some matcha, and see how this performs as far as functionality. All right, so now we're going to walk through using the Zulay Kitchen milk frother to actually make some matcha tea with some oat milk as well. So first off, what we got is 4 ounces of oat milk. This isn't warmed up, but we're gonna just go through frothing this in this separate mug here. And so this is what we'll do, is we'll just put the Zulay Kitchen milk frother directly in here and froth this up. And so hopefully you can see this on camera. I'll kind of figure out how long this takes. But as you can see, it's actually frothing up and coming to almost the rim of the actual mug. So it does fill out the space and does froth as you expect. And we're almost at the top, actually. So before we kind of spill out, this is what it looks like. And so that's frothing oat milk. So that was 4 ounces, and it actually filled out the entire mug doing that. So it does froth it pretty well from that standpoint. It's not the like finest of frothing as compared to something like a milk frother on an espresso machine, but that's that. Now what we're going to do is actually do the matcha as well. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to measure out 4 ounces of water real quick. This is hot water. I'm going to pour this into this cup. All right. And we are going to put 1 teaspoon of matcha directly into here. And so this is what it looks like to start. Bear with the fact that the milk's kind of in the measuring cup, but what we'll do is we'll froth this up. So mix it at least. It's not really going to be frothing, but immediately, as you can tell, it mixed it evenly throughout. There's no chunks, there's nothing like that, so I'm not going to do beyond that, but as you can tell, this milk frother works very well. It took only about like 5 seconds to froth or mix together the matcha. So the nice thing about this milk frother is it's not exclusive for frothing milk. You can use it to mix up anything. You can use it for matcha, you can use it for milk frothing, you can use it for protein powder if you have like whey protein or pea protein. So it's definitely a good option from that standpoint. But that's all I really have for this video. So this is the Zulay Kitchen Executive Series milk frother. You can currently get it on Amazon for about $15. Does use AA batteries, but it's a really nice, cheap, affordable milk frother. We'll see how long this lasts, but it's a nice, affordable one for the price. If you have questions, comments, post them below, but otherwise, thanks for watching.